Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this OXO adjustable temperature pour over kettle. So this kettle does retail for about $105. Okay, so let's take a closer look up. This is stainless steel. It's got this lid. Inside there is a little temperature probe. It's got a nice handle for pouring. We do have some temperature, so it can kind of tell you what to brew certain things on. We've got tea is 195, coffee 200, so these are kind of nice settings. It does have cord storage. And it does say it's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1,500 watts. It's got a 3-prong cord and it's 34 inches long. Okay, so I filled it up to the max line. There is a max line right there. And you're simply going to set it on here. It's got a display right here. Okay, so let's talk about the display. That is Fahrenheit. If you want to change it to Celsius or go back from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you're going to press and hold the button for 3 seconds, then rotate the knob. So it's on Fahrenheit. I can go to Celsius and then hit select. So that's Celsius. Let's go back to Fahrenheit. Press and hold, rotate till you see the F. Then press it again, that's Fahrenheit. Now I can rotate the knob for my desired temperature. Okay, the lowest setting is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And the highest setting is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to put it on 200 degrees. When you're ready to start, just press the button. Now it's going to display, that's the current temperature of the water is 64 degrees and it's heating the water. Now this kettle has a built-in keep warm function, so when it reaches the temperature, it's going to try to keep that temperature for 30 minutes. So it's going to heat it up to 200. As it cools down a little bit, it'll turn it back on automatically and heat it up back up to 200 degrees. That's a keep warm function. Now, if you want to cancel that, you do have to press the button when you're done to cancel the keep warm function. Now it also has a pour over timer, but we cannot access the pour, there's a clock on here. We cannot access it until it's done reaching the temperature. So once this water gets up to 200 degrees, we can press this button and we can get a timer for when we want to do our pour overs. And it does say the max line is 1 liter. So this is a 1 liter kettle. Okay, it's been about almost 2 minutes. We're up to 142 degrees. So if we take a look inside, there's what it looks like. Okay, so once it reaches its temperature, there's going to be a display change. It's going to change over to this keep warm light. It's going to light up. So right at 3 minutes. Okay, see how the display changed. Now it's going to keep warm. Keep that at 200 degrees. Okay, so now that it's in the keep warm function, let's access the timer. It's a little tricky. You got to press this button for 1 second. It's a little tricky. It's a little longer than you think, so press it there. Now it changed over to the timer, and now it's a count up timer for your pour overs. If you want to cancel that, just hit that. It goes back to the time. Now it's going to keep that at 200 degrees. So if I take it off, put it back, it's still going to keep that at 200 degrees as it cools down. But if I want to cancel that now, just press that and it turns it off. And now it'll just cool down. Be careful, the side of that is very hot, but the handle is nice and cool. Let's see how it pours. Yeah. Nice control, nice and even. It's balanced really well. This will make doing pour overs very nice. I've got a lot of control. I can have just a little bit come out or a lot. So this is just a very nice kettle. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.